Happy Friday to you. How are you feeling today? And in today's video, I want to share with you some of the common mistakes people make when trying to manifest their desires using the law of assumption. And if you think about it, the law of assumption is so simple to apply, but some of us overcomplicate it. It's so simple. All that is required from us is to be clear in what it is we want and to accept and assume that we already have our desires right now, and then to stick to that and just remain faithful until it reflects into our 3D reality. But now, the common mistakes people make. So before we get into this, I just want to remind you that you can join our free 5-day manifestation challenge. And if you're an entrepreneur and you feel stuck, you can also book a free consultation call as well. All the details are in the description. Now, the common mistakes that I've made and that I actually see other people make as well is, number one, they are not clear in what it is they want. They're not specific enough. They know exactly what they don't want. They don't want to struggle anymore. They don't want to be single anymore. They don't want to be unhealthy. They don't want this, that, and the other. They know exactly what they do not want. But when you ask them, so what do you really want? Then there's a pause. And they're like, The reason for that is because we are conditioned to complain and also to focus on what we do not want instead of what we do want. You see, that is mistake number one. Not clear and specific in what it is you want and why do you want it. The reason why you should ask yourself why you want it is because the why will actually remind you not to give up and to continue. And mistake number two is they contradict themselves, because the law of assumption is clear. You have to assume that you already have your desires. So in other words, if I assume that today is Friday, I know today is Friday, I'm going to stick to the fact that today is Friday. I'm not going to contradict myself and say, no, today is Saturday. No, today is Sunday. No, today is Monday. I know today is Friday. So I'm going to stick to the fact that today is Friday. And I know for a fact that I am 39 years old, right? So I'm not going to contradict myself and say, oh, no, I'm actually 38. I know for a fact that I have to remain and stick to the fact that I'm 39 for 12 months. Now, similarly to your wish fulfilled, to your desire, you have to stick to the new mindset which states that you already have your desire. Now, the problem is a lot of people contradict themselves and they tell themselves they do not have it. So they clear in what they want, but then they say, well, I don't have it. And while you're telling yourself that is through inner conversations, because while you're brushing your teeth, you're in the shower, you're busy eating, and you're like, it would be nice to have it. Wouldn't it be nice to actually be this or have that? I can't wait until, it comes. I'm just waiting for a sign. I know one day my time will come. Oh man, why is it taking so long? Why am I struggling? What is happening? Why me? So now all these inner conversations, you are actually telling yourself that you do not have it. And as a result, you are delaying the process because you are contradicting yourself. You're supposed to remind yourself that you do have it by especially if you know that your inner conversations are contradictory, then you have to make time to actually say, okay, Gabriel, I'm going to take 10 minutes and I'm just going to remind you, Gabriel, that you already have your desires. And I'm going to speak to myself in my mind and tell myself, I already have it. Now, I invite you to do this. Let me tell you, when you do this for 10 minutes and you just bask in gratitude and remind yourself that you have it now, oh man, you feel like $1,000,000. You feel abundant. You feel prosperous. You feel wealthy. Why? Because you are now focusing on what you want instead of what you do not want. And a lot of people are actually making this mistake. I used to make this mistake as well. You're constantly telling yourself that you do not have it. And you're waiting for it. Waiting implies that you do not have it. Waiting equals lack. You have to constantly remind yourself that it is Friday. I am 39 years old. Yes, I do have it. I am already in Barbados and I went first class. Now, a question that you have to ask yourself is, what are you telling yourself? What are you telling yourself? What are your inner conversations, your self-talk, especially when you brush your teeth, when you're in the shower, when you're busy driving, when you're busy eating, when you're speaking to someone else? What are you telling yourself? Are you telling yourself that you have your desires? Because the law of assumption is so simple. All you need to do is just assume that you already have your desires and just remain faithful to that. You just assume that you already have your desires. And the last mistake, obviously there are loads, but I'm just sharing the most common ones, is they are in a state of lack instead of abundance. So it's so easy to complain, and it's so easy to actually focus on what's going wrong and to focus on what we do not have instead of focusing on what we do have. Now, when you shift your mind from lack to abundance, you immediately feel the shift. And I want to do this with you now. I want you to express your gratitude for the things around you now. Just express your gratitude for everything that you can see around you now. Your phone, Wi-Fi, electricity, the roof over your head, your health, the fact that you can watch this video, perhaps your family, your friends, and the money that you have. Just press pause or even comment below and share. What are you grateful for? What are you grateful for that's around you? You see, a lot of people do not take the time to appreciate what's around them. When was the last time that you've intentionally expressed your gratitude? When was the last time that you just expressed your gratitude for what's around you, for what you have, and for your future desires? Because when you do that, you immediately shift your mindset from lack to abundance. So let's recap quickly. What you want to do is find out exactly what do you want and why you want it. Why? Because the why is going to remind you not to give up. And then furthermore, now that you are clear, you want to accept and assume that you already have it now or are it now. And then number 3, you want to express your gratitude for having it now and express your gratitude for what's around you. I'm grateful for this video. I'm grateful for my health. I'm grateful for the delicious breakfast I had. I'm grateful for the money I have. I'm grateful for electricity. I'm grateful for water. I'm grateful for the roof over my head. I'm grateful for my clothes. I'm grateful for my laptop. I'm grateful for my car. You see, like, I'm already feeling and I'm buzzing. I'm glowing. I'm like already feeling like $1,000,000 because gratitude shifts you from lack to abundance, and you feel prosperous. You feel wealthy. You feel abundant. Why? Because you're telling yourself that you have. So you have to ask yourself, are you clear in what it is you want? Are you contradicting yourself? Do you have a lack mindset? If so, I've shared with you the exact steps on how to rectify this right now. And when you do this, your manifestation journey is going to become so pleasant, so joyful, because now you are making manifestation great again. Now, all of a sudden, it doesn't feel like work anymore. Now it feels like a delight, a joy, a pleasure. So there you have it. And just a quick reminder, you can join our free 5-day manifestation challenge. And also, if you're an entrepreneur, you feel stuck, you can book a free consultation call as well. And let me know what stood out for you. Let me know if you had any aha moments, and let me know what you've learned from this video. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Having said that, enjoy your Friday, and I'll catch you later.